Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to install a WordPress installation on Wamp. Usually I use Joomla, but I'm going to show you, if you have the knowledge of Joomla, that you can also install WordPress. I'm going to go to the download folder because I already downloaded WordPress. Here's WordPress. You need to unzip it. I use pzip to unzip it in Windows 7. Pzip is a free program to unzip zip files. So I'm going to go into the WordPress folder here because I already unzipped it before I made this tutorial. Now I'm going to go to the Wamp folder here. This is computer C Wamp www. So you have to go to computer C Wamp www. Normally, but I have a button for it on the desktop. Now I'm going to paste it. I can do it with Ctrl V as well, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to rename this to WordPress. Okay. For this website, I also need a database because WordPress, just like Joomla, requires a database. So I'm going to the Wamp installation. I'm going to pp my admin here. I'm going to go to databanken or database. I don't know what it says in English. It's in the first thing. So I'm going to create a WordPress. You can create it with any name here. WordPress. This is easy to remind because we're working on a WordPress site. So WordPress. Now we're going to the local host. You have to go to the local host to the WordPress site. Click WordPress. Like you can see now, it's WordPress in WordPress, but that doesn't really matter for the. It's just a test. For this tutorial, I'm going to put it in English because if I put it in my own language, Dutch, some people can't follow the menu anymore. So I'm going to go to English. I'm going to continue. Welcome to WordPress. Before we need some information. Okay, let's go. We want to call it WordPress because we already made it a database here called WordPress. This is the database here. So we go the Wamp installation. The username is the root, but normally you only have a username and password created in your Flash panel online. You create your secure username and password. So I'm going to create a root here. Password is empty in the Wamp installation at least. You want to run multiple WordPress installations. Change this just for this tutorial. No. Well, WordPress root, localhost, submit. Alright, sunshine, you made it through this part of the installation. It can communicate with your database, so it can find my WordPress database from Wamp. So I'm going to run the install now. Site title, just for this tutorial. Username, well, just admin. Okay. Password right. Okay. your email address just for this tutorial. And just for this tutorial.com. I'm going to install WordPress here. Okay, now we can log in with the chosen password. I'm going to log in. And now we are in the admin panel of WordPress in a Wamp installation. So anyone can do this. I can install every CMS. The question is, can you also use it? It's not just installing it, it's also using it. For the use of it, I like Joomla better, but I can install any site. So this is how it looks like now. You can install anything on WordPress, because you can also install a new theme here. So yeah, I did try WordPress, of course. So here we get the active one, but you can also change it to this one, activate. Now we go to the WordPress site to see how it's changed. So you can install a new theme, add a new theme. You like that? Now it's going to look for a new theme. Let's see. But I would like this butterfly theme. There are so many themes, so let's see if I want the Michael Jackson theme, for example. If it exists. I don't know if they have one. Too bad. Jackson, then. I think really. So, butterfly. Let's see. No themes found. Alright. Let's see. And it's not going to work, so I'm going to go to popular. It has 1494. So many. These are the popular ones. So let's see. I like the butterfly one here. So I'm going to install this one. Install. Once I've installed it, I can actually activate it. Now it's active. Now I'm going to go to the local host WordPress. It's already changed to the butterfly site. Now it really looks like a blog site, like WordPress is intended to be. They also have widgets. Customize. So, I do like WordPress, but for me, I currently use Joomla. So, I hope you like this tutorial. I hope you will be back next time for more of my tutorials on my channel.